hot take, cold take, lukewarm take. Give me a milkshake. But the biggest red flag in influencers that make content for children, that don't exploit their kids or make 18 plus videos that they try to market for kids, is that they play a game that involves voting, but they rate everyone the lowest score, except their friends. Most of these people are grown-ass adults, and most of the people they're playing with are their own fans. Like, holy, you're adults and you can't handle losing. I don't know why. They do it in the first place, and they also never point it out, except when they rate each other 5 stars. So they know they're doing it, but they don't say they are because it can be a bad image. Anywho, the muffins are baked